If your Craftsman battery charger shows no lights and won't charge, don't assume it's dead right away. In most cases, this problem can be identified quickly with a simple, step-by-step check that helps you determine whether the issue is the charger, the battery, or the power source. When a Craftsman charger has no lights, start by confirming it's plugged firmly into a working outlet. Then test that outlet with another device to rule out power issues. Inspect the power cord closely for cuts, fraying, or damaged insulation, since even minor damage can stop the charger from working. Next, remove and reseat the battery to ensure proper contact between the battery terminals and charger pins, and clean the contacts with compressed air if dust or debris is present. Try charging a different Craftsman battery if it charges your original battery is likely faulty. If neither battery works, the charger itself may not be supplying voltage, which can be confirmed with a multimeter. Temperature also matters, as lithium-ion batteries won't charge if they're too hot or too cold. In rare cases, the battery's internal protection system may lock it out, but bypass methods are risky and not recommended. If the charger is under warranty, contacting Craftsman for a replacement is usually safer and more cost-effective than attempting repairs.